Good morning. You are calling to the Ritz Hotel. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the December 1st. Do you have any room?
Yes, we have any rooms for that date. December 1st is your arrival date.
Yes, it is.
How long will you be staying?
I will be staying for 1 week.
How many people is the reservation for?
There will be 3 persons.
And would you like a room with two beds or a double bed?
With 2 beds, please. Now, what is the rate for the room?
Your room is $564 per night. Now, what name will the reservation be listed under?
Jimena Noriega.
Could you repeat your last name for me, please?
Sure. Noriega.
Great. What phone number where you can be contacted?
6, 6, 23, 53, 26, 10.
Great. Now I'll need your card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
It's a debit card. The number is 9202610035.
Alright, Miss Noriega. Your reservation has been made for the December 1st for a room with a double bed. Check-in is at the front desk. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to call you.
Alright, thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in December, Miss Noriega. Have a nice day.